developing content for my students.
Hi, my name is Renaldo Lawrence. Being an Adobe educational leader and being a person who loves creativity, I'm extremely fortunate to have a copy of the book, Mastering Photoshop 2026. Being an educator, some of the greatest moments of my educational life is being able to see the joy on my students' faces when they learn a new skill. And then even more important to me is when they learn that skill and then take it to a different level. But what I love is when they actually teach each other the skills that I've taught them, but then take it to another level. Now, what makes this even more valuable is how directly these skills can connect to future opportunities. Photoshop is used in countless amount of careers. Everything from marketing to social media to web design to photography to game design to game development and even to branding. Now, I want my students to gain proficiency in these tools so they can go into any entry-level jobs and kill it. I want them to be able to either start a business of their own and also to be able to create the different products that are required for them. By helping them master Photoshop now, I feel that I'm equipping them with the practical skills that can help support them in their future career and give them an early advantage. And guess what? We start them at year 7. But one of the best things about this book is that it teaches me the skills and I transfer the skills to them. And I've been very fortunate to partner with PAC. And with this partnership, not only have I been able to enhance my skills, but again, like I said, I transfer those skills to my students. And Mastering Photoshop 2026, this book has really changed the way that I look at Photoshop, and to be honest, changed the way I do my content development. The wonderful thing about this book is that it's actually shown me or helped me develop better skills in terms of things like masking, creating animated GIFs, all the skills that I think my students will need. And so I'm excited. So I'm just saying to you today, this book is amazing. Why don't you go out and use PAC, pick up your copy. It's phenomenal.